guys, welcome to NAS Unboxing. Today we are introducing the new model TS251D, which is suitable for every personal user. And this is the TS251D. It equips with an Intel Celeron J4005 dual-core processor and can boost up to 2.7 GHz. And the SKU include 2GB and 4GB memory and can support up to 8 GB. For the front view, from the top is the power button and the LED indicators, and for the system status and hard drives, and USB 3.0 port and one touch copy button. And for the rear panel, it starts with a PCIe expansion slot, smart fan, and the 4K HDMI output, 4 USB ports, and 1 GigaLAN port. TS251D is designed with an easy way to upgrade the memory. Just simply take out the trays and you can install the new DDR4 card into the TS251D. And if you need to install the PCIe card, then you'll need to open the case of the TS251D, and you can install the expansion card from the back of the TS251D. And as for the expansion card, you can choose QM2 card from QNAP, 10G or 5G internet cards, USB expansion card, or the internet wireless card. And all of the hardware from QNAP can be installed onto the TS251D and increase the applications of the TS251D. And through the actual test in QNAP lab, after equipped with QXG 10G1T card, the upload and download speed between computer and the TS251D goes up to around 900 megabytes per second, which is a really nice performance. So that is all for the introduction of the TS251D. If you want to check out more videos, please visit live.qnap.com for more information, and we will see you next time on QNAP Unboxing. Bye.